The Elements tool is probably one of my favorites because there's so many different things you can do with it. So if you just click on Elements, it's going to give me my recently used ones. So you have so many options here. You can search, let's say you wanted to enter a shape. So you're just going to type in circle, and it's going to give you all sorts of different circles that you can use in your design. Now, if you'll notice, when I hover over them, you're going to get a free, and you're going to get some that are premium. The premium costs money, so we can't use those. Okay, but there are tons of free elements, and this applies to photos as well, that you can use in your designs. And if you look hard enough, sometimes you can find free options that are very similar to your premium options. Okay, and so if you find one you want to use, you just click it. You can resize everything, okay, just by dragging the corner. And you can also change the color. So here I have a blue kind of going into a seafoam green. So I can change those colors by either just going down here to default colors, which are more popular colors, or I can pick my own colors by sliding this circle. Okay, I can also do it by sliding this. Okay, so I'll stick with that. And then maybe I'll change this one too, just for fun. Okay, so blue into green. Okay. All right. Also, another part of Elements that I really like are grids. So these are photo grids. So anytime you see this mountain and cloud looking box, those are photo grids. So if you wanted to use one of those in your design, you would just select the one that you feel like works the best. It's going to format it so it actually fits into the area, but you can change the width, you can change the overall dimensions. Okay, and then you could use your photo tool to pop photos into those spaces. Okay, similarly on here, so you can see charts, shapes, all sorts of different things. Frames are also for photos, okay, but they're shaped. Okay, so if I chose that frame and then chose a photo to go in it, it's going to frame out that photo in that more interesting shape. So that's another option for you. There's so many different things you can explore in the Elements feature. Okay.